Hey dolls, welcome back to Krafted Doll TV. Today I'm super excited to show you how I created a soft glam look that I call a soft doll glam. I actually created this look based on the outfit I'm wearing in the video. I wanted to match my outfit and create something that feels really cohesive. If you're new here, I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist who love crafting looks that tie everything together, whether it's for a special event, a cute outfit, or just vibing, literally. I'm just inspired by everything around me, and I'm all about creating makeup that reflects that. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'll show you exactly how I create this soft doll glam. I'm starting off by cleaning my face and removing any dirt and makeup with micellar water and toner to prep my skin. This looks actually a freestyle glam that I'd never done before. I wanted something that would match my shirt and really bring out the vibe I was going for. I wanted to try something new, something that felt inspiring to me and gave me confidence to go out and feel amazing. So let's get started and craft this look together. So right now I'm basically just wiping off my face, getting in tune to the vibe and the music I have on. Basically, I don't want no interruptions because when I'm focused and crafting something new, I need nothing to stop me, nothing to bother me. Let me be in my head. Let me just be in my flow. Right now, I went in with my JLaRue mattifying foundation primer before I put anything on my skin. Basically, this takes up the rest of the oils that basically didn't come out from the wiping and literally mattifies my skin. Look how matte my skin is just by adding a little amount. Like, I love this primer so freaking much. Like, and it's black on, period. Anyway, so I'm going into my brow. This is a beauty supply store brow pencil in the color dark brown. This pencil is my go-to. It's $2, I think, maybe less than $5, and it got a little brush with it, and you cannot go wrong. So I'm basically just going in, figuring out how I want my brows. So usually my brows are usually different on all my makeup looks. It basically depends on how I'm feeling or what look I want to go for or what style I want to go for. So right now I am going for some bold, big brows. I really think this brow look will go good with the look I'm going for, and it did. Alright, so let's talk about how I do my brows for this look. First, I line underneath, and then on top I slightly align above my brows to shape them. After that, I fill in any spare areas that makes everything look nice and even. For this particular makeup look, which is bold and bright, I like my brows to be a bit thicker and slightly darker. That's because with a bright, bold makeup look, lighter brows can get lost. And I really want my brows to stand out and frame my face. Now, if I were going for a more natural look, I'll probably use a lighter brow shade that blends seamlessly with a softer makeup. We're doing a soft glam today. I want my brows to have a little extra definition and it coordinated nicely with my wig I'm wearing. That's why I'm going for a bold brow, so it pops and ties with the whole look. Right now, I'm using 2 shades of Makeup Revolution concealer to clean up and highlight my brows. I use a darker shade at the front of my brows to keep it looking natural and blended, and then I go in with a lighter shade around the arch and above the brows to really define and lift that area. I used to use just one concealer, but after some trials and error and taking some classes, I found that using 2 different shades really made a big difference in how seamless and professional the brows looked. As a rule of thumb, I go for concealer that's about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone for the arch area, and it really brightens it up, and 1 shade lighter for the front and above the brow to keep things looking natural and cohesive. As for the brushes I'm using and the color concealer I'm using, I will put everything down in the description box.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable. breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had the poppers from the Ricky, ain't been feeling. Ooh, yeah. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be wrong, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog down my mind. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog down my mind. I'm a dog down my mind.
She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wonder how I got my jiffy up. Grip so damn big, I need a diaper and a sippy cup. Someone tells Zendaya she my favorite, can she hit me up? Ha 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 ha, when I double park the laugh. That rah ta ta ta, bitch, I'm stepping on the gas. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Like that silly green, bitch, I'm really hitting. You better put them palms together, bitch, I really sing. No, me and Crack don't share daddies, but we really twinning. If she ain't got her shit together, she ain't getting in.
Alright, right now we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. I'm just priming my lids with the Revolution Beauty Concealer in the shade C12. This is the lighter shade I used on my brows. Same thing. I just use it to prime my eyelids. I'm also using the Equal Tool brush to buff it all over my lids to make sure there's no creases and it is nicely blended.
Hey, see the bed top bunker, the boys got thumpers. I'm a bona fide face seat box muncher. She ain't never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Yo, never in the Hamptons, dick riding in a white fit. Never raise a hand and strap on him like a dyke bitch. This dark work like night shift. I'm thunder, I light shit. I flood this, I flood.
Right now that my concealer is nicely blended, I'm going in with the shades I pointed out in the video. First, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply my transition shade in the outer corner of my eye, blending it smoothly to create that smooth gradient effect. Next, I'm taking a darker pink shade and adding it to the same outer corner in the crease, and also buffering it out gently to blend it seamlessly in the transition shade so the colors flow together nicely. This helps create a smoother transition from one shade to another and makes the look pop.
Love that, I swim good, I'm white, I'm fit. Hey T, why you acting hard? I'm like, baby, please. I'm not with that shit, bro. That's why I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums. I'm paranoid now, cause niggas weird and really bums.
Down sunset, in every place, in every face.
Between both shades to make sure I could really see both shades on my lid. I started by applying the pink shade in my inner crease, then went back with the outer shade to deepen and blend everything together. This helped with everything look seamlessly and make sure both shades show up beautifully on my eye. Now I'm going in with a smaller detailed flat eyeshadow brush. This brush really helps me cut my crease without actually using concealer. I'm using a pink shimmer shade and carefully tracing it on my natural eyelid shape to create the illusion of a cut crease. I like to start in the middle of my eyelids to map it out first. It's just easier for me that way. And then I work towards the inner corner, continue to cut the crease and give the illusion of a defined eyelid using the shimmer shade.
Just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Let her be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her.
Gotta own it, that I'm alright. You can't take my soul without a fucking fight.
Okay, right now I'm going in with the same pink shade I used on the outer crease to blend out the shimmer shade on my lid. This helps everything look seamless and cohesive. Next, I am adding a gold shade to my tear duct area to really give my eye that pop I'm looking for. I felt like I was missing something, and this step really completed the look I was going for. After that, I'll be using my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner, and I'll be starting from the middle of my eye to create that angled liner look I love. I'm not taking the liner all the way across my eye. I will be stopping at the end of my eye and basically buffer it in with a black eyeshadow, and I'll be using a tapered eyeshadow brush to really give that illusion and buff out the black eyeshadow into the pink to really give that really smoky pink gold shimmer eye.
She just wants to play, I know what she thinks. Give her a taste, run her back to me. Put it in the place, make it seem to keep. Ooh, every night. She breaks inside. Flashing lights. It's all she ever wants is begging on her knees to be popular. That's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Never be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she know I'm popular. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she know I'm popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she know I'm popular. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she know I'm popular. Getting money and I'm keeping it. I'm getting cash, I'm keeping it. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Shawty fuck on me 'cause she know I'm popular. Popular, born to be popular. She ain't that 20 mil, but she run it up. She can never be broke 'cause she popular. Tell her what came on for the followers. Begging on her knees to be popular. That's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Never be free 'cause she popular.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
Okay, now I'm setting my eyeliner with the same black eyeshadow to keep it from moving and to really define the liner on my eyelids. I'm using a small dense contour brush to pack the black shadow into the liner for extra staying power. Next, I'm going in with the lashes I got from Burlington Coat Factory. These are my absolute favorite lashes, and I love getting them there because they're always a great deal. I'm also applying Maybelline mascara to my natural lashes to make sure they're blended seamlessly with the false lashes. And then I'm using dual lash glue to apply the lashes to my eyelids. After that, the look is complete, and I hope you guys love it. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be sharing my part 2 on how I did the rest of my face. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching.
but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I